Hi there, Pretty Presets folks. We just wanted to put a quick video together for you to explain how to install presets into Lightroom CC Mobile using DNG files. There's a much more difficult way to do it by adding them onto your computer and then syncing them across the CC cloud, but this is an easy way to get them on there. The basis for this is using files that are already edited to create the preset, and then you can use that to edit. So what we will show you today is actually getting those files into Lightroom CC Mobile and using them to edit your photos. What we won't be showing you is how to unzip them and put them into cloud storage. We already assume you know how to do that. If you don't, you can send us a message and we'll be more than happy to do that. So what we want to do to start is open up our Lightroom mobile app. I'm using an iPhone, but it looks pretty similar on an Android device. We have some photos already in here and stored, but what we want to do is in the upper right hand corner, you want to hit the three dots, and then you want to go to add photos. Choose from files if you have them stored in cloud, or from camera roll if you have them stored on your device. Like I said, this will look a little different if you're using an Android device, but kind of the same idea. So I'm going to choose from files, and then I already have my Dropbox set up with the files that I'm using as the base. So we're going to use this Creme preset just as the demo. So I'll go ahead and select that, and that actually gets imported into Lightroom Mobile. You can see it right here. So now that I've got that in there, what we're going to do is create the preset from that photo itself. So you want to, from your gallery, open the photo. And I don't know if you saw that real quick, but you can see right on the bottom left, it does say it's a DNG file. And then we're going to go up here to the upper right hand corner and hit the circle with the three dots in it, and then down here to create preset. Make sure all of these are checked because you definitely want to make sure you pick up all of the changes. You can see what those are if you click on the arrows, but just go ahead and set them all. For the name, obviously you want to give it the name of the preset, making sure to spell it however you want to spell it, but hopefully that's correct, unlike what I can do. And then you want to make sure you put it in a group. If you want to create a new preset group, go ahead and do that. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to put them in user presets so it's easy to find. Once you got all that done, hit the check mark in the upper right hand corner and you'll see that it has been added to the user presets. So now when I go back to my gallery, I can take one of these wonderful photos and select it. And now you can scroll the bottom all the way over to presets and go down to user presets. And you can see there's our preset that we created. I just select it and make sure it looks okay. You can update with current settings if you want to change the preset, rename it, or delete it from here. I wouldn't recommend doing any of that if you've got it how you want it. You can always hit the go back or the undo in the upper right hand corner if you want to undo what you did. But we want to save this picture because it turned out really good. So we hit that check box or check mark, and there we go. That's done. Our photo has been edited with the preset, so now we can hit the export button, and we can either share it or save it to the camera roll, save it to the files, or open it in another application. So I'll save that to my camera roll. I usually do maximum available because it looks great when you do that. And now the photo is saved with Lightroom Mobile because it's non-destructive. You can always go back and change it and reset the photo if you want to, but we're not going to do that this time because we really like the photo. So that's the gist of installing presets from DNG files. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up. You can email support@prettypresets.com or drop us a note in the Facebook group. Good luck.